Happy birthday, Alon!
Maybe I love you so much. So you changed Mama's life, and I want to thank you for making me a better person. So I hope when you see this video, you'll remember and you'll see how much we love you.
Birthday, Alon. Gusto lang namin na lumaki ka na masasabi mo na meron kang buting magulang. And in that way, we can tell that you've been a good parent. So love you, Alon.
Happy birthday! We love you, Alon.
Let me introduce to you Alon and Mommy Dory.
With my friends around, so much to explore. I'm ready now. I can't help but say a better dream in everything. So alive, so alive, so alive. So alive, so alive, so alive. So alive, so alive.
Happy birthday, Alon and Mommy Dory! We love you!
So, first birthday, Alon. So, I wish you good health and prosperity. And actually, yung gift ko para kay Papa mo. Joke lang. Yung tatay talaga yung maglalaro, no?
These are the good days. These are the good days.
Sobrang thankful ako dahil dumating si Alon. I know na sobrang blessed kayo with a wonderful gift. Ayan. With Alon's presence.
Starting to sing that these are the good days.
Ipaglalaban kita kung sakasakali man. Darating tayo sa korte, ipaglalaban ka natin, okay? Gusto mo yan? Okay, hey!
And yung mga storybooks na bigay sa'yo ni Ninang, they're also in Filipino. So that, like your mom, it will also spark your love for country. So happy birthday, sweetheart!
No worry, we're in the moment now. Good feeling, good being with you all the time. Sweet emotion, sweet emotion.
Magandang gabi po sa atin lahat. Dito sa birthday ng aking pinakamagandang kapatid. Unang-una ako, papasalamat sa Diyos at narito tayong lahat. Unang-una rin ko sa aking apo. Andyan, at pangalawa at sa aking minamahal na kapatid na ilan po. Maligayang Pasko.
Mahal na mahal ka namin. Good health and more blessings to come.
Happy birthday, Alon and Tita Dory! We love you!